If you sneezed in ancient Greece, people didn't say, bless you. They stopped. They stared. Because they thought your brain had just spoken. Greek doctors believed a sneeze meant the mind was sharp, alive, intelligent, not sickness, not dust, but proof that thoughts were moving fast inside your skull. In marble halls and crowded markets, one sneeze could change how people saw you. Conversations paused. Physicians nodded. To them, that sudden burst of air was wisdom escaping the body. But here's what they didn't understand. Sneezing wasn't intelligence. It was the body warning them, a signal they mistook for genius. While illness spread, people celebrated sneezes. They praised the mind as the body quietly failed. Today we say, bless you. Back then they said, you're brilliant. History reminds us, even smart civilizations can misunderstand the truth.